This is insane.
Hold on.
I know. I was like, and there's no fucking clutch. You lead. I'll get video. Shh. What the hell? It's like driving an electric scooter. Whee! I feel so stupid. Oh my god, I'm looking for the gear shifter. I'm switching this baby to sport.
I put mine in sport.
Yeah, I put mine to too. He's like, eco, do eco. I'm like, hell no. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm sorry, I don't mean to sound like an idiot. This is crazy! Woo! I want one! Oh. Holy shit! It's so freaking quiet! Holy shit! I'm on a freaking motorcycle! It's so quiet, the only thing I can hear is wind. And it does 70 with no problem. What is this thing? Like, oh my god! I just punched the throttle and it's crazy. By the way, that's one of my YouTube followers. Thank you very much, City's Edge, for letting me do this, for putting on this demo ride for us to do this. So amazing. This is all I gotta say. Dude! You doggy! My stomach hurts because I'm like, oh, smooth! Ooh! What's all this say? So 170 degrees. That must be motor. I got 21 miles to go. Oh my god, this thing would just be a freaking blast to just blast around. And like, the maneuverability. Oh my god, the acceleration is just like fucking insane. Like, look at that. Like, oh my god. I was looking for the gear. I was looking for the clutch. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. Dude! Holy shit! Yeah! Holy shit! Like, holy fuck! No words! Like, shit!
You want to play this one on the way back?
Hell yeah, let's switch!
I don't know if this light's gonna go for us.
Oh yeah, it might not pick us up. Alright, we're pulling into Valley Fair. Oh my god! Jesus! Oh my god, I sound like a dumb idiot. Oh! Oh my god! Oh, I like the supermoto stand-up kind. Okay. This one's a little slower. Oh my gosh! The supermoto is a little more, God. Yes, yes, yes. This, anyways, I'm sorry. The supermoto is a little more, it's a little more stand up. I don't know. I kind of like the other one that was on. This is the FX version, and that's just the Zero. And I guess standing up on it is not. It's not too bad at all. And the guy told me, he's like, you can connect your phone up to, you can connect your phone up to these. You can Bluetooth your phone to these and download the data to your phone, and then you can track the data on these bikes. It's weird. I don't know what you can all do. He said you can manipulate everything on these with your phone. So I don't know what that everything means, but I don't know. I'm lost for words. God, these are so fun. Like, I don't mind the Supermoto. It's nimble. It's nimble. I kind of like. I don't know. Kind of like it. Look, and shh, you can barely hear. You can't hear anything. That is so fucking weird. You can't hear anything.
Right?
Like, I'm used to like, and then like, you pull up and you're like, there's nothing. I don't want to get off.
Isn't it fun?
Oh my God.